Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to get more inventory slots in Roblox Mobile. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to get more inventory slots in Roblox, what you need to do is head over to your settings in your device, and once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find this developer options, and once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing these options. Now what you need to do is simply scroll down until you find this option that says minimum width. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you will be asked this minimum width. Now all you gotta do is enter 600 and then tap on OK. And once you do that, you'll get more inventory slots in Roblox Mobile. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.